Swoosh, just do it. 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 Swoosh, just do it.
Hey everybody, how's it going? It's your boy Jovenel. So, oh man, sad day, man. Sad day for the Accord. I've been seeing a lot of people on the groups on Facebook. They've been basically saying how their windshield was cracked on the right side. Some people had some on the left, but it was mostly on the right side. I thought that it would never happen to me. Probably like 2-3 days ago, I was driving in the highway. Little rock hit my windshield, and look. Right there. A whole spider crack. And the crazy part is, this is happening to a lot of people, and I believe Honda needs to address this, have a recall or something, because this is getting absurd. There's too many people saying that their windshield fixed on their brand new 2018 Honda Accord, which is BS, because there's no reason why people should be coming out of pocket for a windshield that cracks just like this, just so easy. I posted the picture up online, and a lot of people have been sending me pictures of theirs. Yeah, it makes no sense why these windows are cracking so easily. That's one issue that I got with my Honda. The next issue, we're gonna have to pop the hood open. My other problem that I'm having with my lovely Accord, but now it's like getting to a point where it's just some bullshit. Oh, I went to go get my oil done, and I told them about an oil leak that I saw on the engine. I don't know if you guys can see that, but right over there. So I told them about it. They told me that they'll clean it up and then bring it back if we still see it again. They went and checked my car out, and so while I had my while I was getting my service done, I went to go pay, and look right there. I had a oil leak on my timing case. I told them, how is that possible? It's a brand new car. I had it for 8 months now. And they're like, man, I have no idea. I don't know. So they told me, bring it back in like 43,000 miles and see if it's still there. Right there, look at all that oil. That just pisses me off, man, because it says that I need a new air filter and pollen filter, but those two I'm gonna get, you know, aftermarket. The PRL air intake, and then the pollen filter. It's what, $10-15 online, and I know exactly how to do the pollen filter, because it's on the passenger side, and I've done it to my compressor, so it shouldn't be that hard doing it on the Accord. Those are the two main serious issues I got with this Accord. I'm about to go to the Honda dealership, complain about that, and see what they'll do. They'll probably say, oh, go through insurance. Insurance has to pay, I believe, $946. What, in Florida and in Cali, they replace your windshield for free. So I got that from one of the couple of comments that I have for the cracked windshield. Oh yeah, it sucks, man. It's a brand new car, man. I'm having all these trouble with it. All right, people. Right now, I'm currently at the Honda dealership, about to assess this right here. Timing case oil leak. Alright people, so right now we're in a different scenery, you know. Your boy got a rental. They actually chose this rental out because this was the only one. But yeah, but So I went there. They said that they're gonna get an estimate on the windshield. They didn't say if they were gonna install it for free or I'm gonna have to pay out of pocket for it. They told me I had to leave the car there first to check to see what was the reason for that timing case oil leak. Yet again, they gave me another rental. I didn't choose this one out, an extra manual car, and they gave me this. I believe it's a 2018 Honda Civic. I don't think this is a sport, but it drives pretty nice, man. I'm not gonna complain. I like the way it drives. That six-speed gearbox, something else. Pretty nice, pretty nice. I like it picks up, but not for me. It's too small. They told me to come back tomorrow morning and pick the car up. I believe they said there's an oil pan gasket needed to be resealed and the head gasket needed to be resealed. So I'm gonna know more tomorrow. Stay tuned. Man, wow. Alright. It's your boy Jovenel, man. We got the Honda Civic. I got my boy Peso DR, man. Let's see. I don't know if he knows how to drive manual. I think this is gonna be his first time, so let's see how he does it, man. Let's see how he works this. You don't know how to work. You don't know how to work it.
Where the brakes at, bro?
You don't know how to work it. What pedal is that? Come on, B. Let's see you, bro.
So, I don't know if it's on brake, bro.
Does it say brake?
I don't know.
Nah.
It's on brake, yeah.
Yeah, you gotta push. Hold the brake. Oh, you good, bro. Alright, let's see this. Alright. 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 Alright, I see you. Alright. You revving the shit out of it. You don't know what to do, bro. Come on, man. He ain't gonna stop. He don't know what to do. What he doing next?
check both ways.
Alright, he said check both ways.
Check both ways. Alright. Let's do it.
Alright. Alright, he know how to drive, I guess. I thought you would start that shit out, man.
Oh. Alright.
Alright.
That's fine.
You fuck with it? What you think, bro?
Piece of shit.
You think he's a piece of shit? So the boy know how to drive manual, alright. Before I had my RX-8, he was grinding them gears up, boy. He was grinding them shits up, man. He was grinding them things, man. Alright, anything you gotta say to Cam, bro?
Man, subscribe to this YouTube channel and make sure you water your plants in life.
You heard the boy, water the plants in life.
Niggas be fakers. Do shit for sure like they play for the Lakers. Please don't you ever mistake us. We can take it to that point if you make us. Hard times, but we came up. Know some people who wishing we gave up. I thought they was friends, they became sus. Fast forward a year, it's the same us. Niggas be fakers. Do shit for sure like they play for the Lakers. Please do not ever mistake us. We can take it to that point if you make us.
I'm right here about to go drop the car off back to the dealership. And I'ma say the Honda Civic manual is fun as hell. Picks up real quick. Alright people, so I got my car back and I'll go through the paperwork that they gave me. So right now I'm gonna show you guys what I noticed still. So guys, if you still look right there, there's still a lot of oil. Before I left, I checked the same exact spot and they told me that they replaced a sealer or this rubber piece. But wouldn't you like clean the area off after you change whatever you guys said that you put right there? Like, I still see all the oil still right there. Like, if that were me, I would clean the area off. But no, they leave it there. They said that it's fine. So I just went to AutoZone and I bought me brake clean. Right now I'm going to clean the area off. If oil still appears at the same spot, then I'm going to bring it back to them. So I'm pretty sure they didn't do nothing. Look at that, all clean. You guys saw the before video, like you guys just saw it all dirty. Do you guys see that? What do you guys explain that right there? Let me do that again. So what do you guys think about that right there? The area up where I still notice oil. So all in there is pretty much cleaned up. So I cleaned it up to the best of my ability. So as you can see, there's a whole lot of oil droppings over there. I said oil droppings. So I'm gonna go ahead and spray all that off. Like I said, you would think they would probably go ahead and clean all of this off. Then I would have been like real satisfied. But no, they left all that. So I finished cleaning inside of there. All around this part where there was still oil all around there. You guys are gonna see from how much I cleaned this. Right, so this is the paper that they gave me. There was an oil pan leak, so they had to clean it. There's two oil leaks coming from this car, one from the top and one from the bottom. This is so discouraging. So, and then I wound up doing an oil change. They gave me a coupon, so that's why it came out to $24.99 or $24.95. So yeah, two oil leaks, cracked windshield, and the rotors need to be resurfaced. They cost $207 for the rotors to be resurfaced. I might as well just go ahead and buy me brand new rotors and brake pads because it's cheaper to do that. But I'm not gonna have it installed by them, by Honda, because I don't mess with Honda. I'm not in good terms with Honda right now. The same situation. What I want you guys to do is check in the same spot to see if you guys have any oil leaks. Down there, all around here. I just want to know if I'm the only car that has a situation. So, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up or a thumbs down. I will give it a thumb down just for the fact that all this shit's happening to my car. But please comment, like, subscribe. I answered all the comments, so don't forget to comment, man. So this is your boy Jovenel. Peace. The fuck is there? Oh, okay. I thought that was oil, but that's grease. Alright, never mind. Peace out.